Wagwan, yeah? Wagwan, bro. Yeah, man, bless. Yeah.
What's going on? That's all. Who's that pretty girl?
Yeah.
Who's that pretty girl?
You didn't come and start
No,
the
we were the woman one.
You hear me talk, you hear me? I'm from England. In it. I mean, the girls I mean, army.
Drumming, 11, pipers piping 10, Lawrence 9, ladies dancing 8, major milk and 7, swan 6, geese a laying 5, golden.
Good morning, genties. So we at Gatwick Airport now, waiting to check in our luggage. Yeah, so we're at the departure. Huh? What are you looking for?
Just push it inside, innit?
The paper. Come on, Simona. So at the moment we're at TUI checking in. You know, fingers crossed, I think we'll be overweight, but we try to come early. Hopefully they will give us a fly. So let's see.
Hello.
Fingers crossed, let's see. So seems like that lady we're gonna have us next, she doesn't seem that friendly, but let's see. Savannah, you think you can convince that lady to give us a bly if our luggage is overweight?
No.
Oh dear, Savannah said no. Let's see, fingers crossed. Pray for us, guys. Good news, guys. The suitcase were actually in the right. Couldn't be more perfect. They were actually maybe 2.2 or something over. We paid for 25 kg. Oh, we paid for 25 kg, and pretty much all the suitcase went over. The big one went 25.2. The 10 kg, 9.4, 9.8, 10.1, 9.2. So, you know, but also fit the dreams inside. Oh no, yeah. Get defeated again, guys. We get defeated again.
What do you mean?
Buying airport food.
Oh, yeah.
But we have no choice. We woke up, well, I didn't sleep last night. I just get dressed. Just shower, sleep all night last night. We were busy anyway. Doing bits, tidying up, computer and etc. So by the time you know it was time to leave the house. So the alarm was set to wake up. Alarm was set for 3 a.m. and yeah. So no breakfast, had coffee. So we had no choice but had airport food, which we had free burger, fries. Not going to even tell you guys what we're eating really, but
Can we sit down?
can you sit down?
Yeah.
Want to find a seat and sit down?
Yeah, I want to sit down.
So we're in
Can
Gatwick.
you ask for lemonade? Can you ask for lemonade?
Ask for lemonade. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good.
You want to sit there? Yeah. So as we walking down to the airline. That's a TUI.
Do you know where you have visited? If you are ABC or D, you will be close to this side.
Okay.
Any of the letters or the people will be across the aisle.
Thank you. Easy a month.
Hi, go again.
Talagang? Ashi, kasi mo ka. Hah? Kay Simon. That's where that for, isn't it? Oh yeah. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I just squeeze across. Merry Christmas. Hello. Like a jacket?
Well, very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. For this through flight to Montego Bay, Jamaica. The flight time today is 10 hours.
Natasha.
TUI is an unspoken airline,
370.
and the use of vaping is not allowed. Any cigarettes,
We're in the
other
middle.
products is prohibited whilst on board.
We're in the middle.
Daddy, what's my sweet?
Like a tricky hotel. Is that this
Okay, good for it all.
Get a gin and tonic.
Let's go. Ice and lemon.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Tea, coffee. That's special Christmas food.
Christmas drink, yeah, see?
We always do special treat.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
That's
Special Christmas drink. See guys. Within half an hour. Space of half an hour. Got another round of drink. Gin and tonic round 2. Alright guys. We're home, guys. Yeah, man. Where is it, Ashy? Yeah, man. Where's it, Savannah?
Meow, meow. I can hear now.
Where's it? Yeah, man. You're lying. You chicken. Natasha, where is it?
Yes, we're home. Made it. We're here.
We're here.
We're here. We're
Jamaica, we're here. Open at their hometown. We are here. We say open at their hometown. So guys, we're in the home soil, Jamaica. We are here. Jamaica, guys. Okay, Savannah?
Yeah.
You see your grandma already? You see grandma? Oh, you see Savannah already? Savannah, say hello. You say hello? Your grandma already?
I already did.
Is she home? Jamaica in hometown? Ma'am, what color travel bus? Wagwan, yeah? Yeah, man, bless. You know, remember, you're my baby, innit?
That's all. Who's that pretty girl?
Yeah.
Who's that pretty girl?
You say hello? Eh? I think you're gonna get the bus.
Where?
Yeah, man. No, man, I give them. I say, not even use it. No, my rider come in park around the corner, I'm coming in. Yes, I'm there waiting for my nephew right now, so I'm breathing oil in Jamaica, man. Face humid, sweating, good though, can't complain. So some nephew was on time, so it was on time. Just at the parking out here is a bit mad. Look at the parking, arrival. You been in Jamaica?
No, not when I'm hot.
Are you hot?
Yes, I'm
But hot is good. Are you happy to be in Jamaica, actually?
hot.
Are you happy to be in Jamaica? Yeah, that doesn't look like have someone happy. Say yeah.
No, I don't have to much
You just want to go, innit?
I just want to go home. I want to go home.
Waiting for a ride.
Dad, I want to go back home.
Want to go back to home?
No, not that. Not England. At Grandma's house.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
Ah.
We're gonna go. Yeah, guy. Busy Christmas. Busy Christmas season, innit? Busy hectic season too.
What's Tata doing over there?
Huh?
What's Natasha doing?
guys. Savannah.
Are you sure? What? Why were you over there?
Yes, I was taking picture of the video, the building.
Take pictures. Take
Yeah.
pictures of the trees or the
Mm,
clouds or the.
that's beautiful, isn't it?
Or like clouds. There's lots of things. You could take pictures like of the cool houses. You could take pictures of the trees, the sky, the
Money are coming out of the country, so I don't understand. The airport ram. Yeah, suffering heat, and then not even one look at AC they would have put in the place. You hungry now?
I'm hot.
Are you? I don't want to catch up cold now. I'm going to be super high. No, you know, should we come from a different climate and then the AC in your head?
Finally, I get some fresh air.
It's fresh.
I'm hot.
Yes, guys, so we
Yes, I don't get sunburn.
yeah.
Because I am.
We're here.
Because I am. Because I've been in that plane.
Up in
Sweating.
Savannah say up in a them town. Up in a them town.
I did not understand that.
I never see it for news.
You see, you're there, is it?
You go sitting on.
So they can't find fast.
Just because Peter tell me I tell Peter, we don't want to know what thing and travel from away send to me better come and be about poor. But that's all I say. We be able to Charlie and that you want to tell him about it.
I lie. Happy baggy money?
I have to give man money and I tell him man to do it.
I can't know. You're telling me to do it in the house.
But I tell him man about it and I say to him he would have that.
I didn't meet Charlie, I get sad, I get knocky, I get knocked.
It's so wicked.
You know, say that pay back though.
Exactly.
Exactly. Mommy, you see when the man get the money, you know the amount of people in call to get the money?
Hi.
Man, the amount of people in man call to get the money. Go and do that. Go and do it.
The margarita meal. Mommy, you never come to the head night. No. Why you never come? No, carrot chop in that home.
It's nice.
If my mum win, they never stay long, but then come.
Una say lang mo na to.
Huh?
Una say lang, your mom.
Yeah, mommy and Debbie and them.
Oh, then he come? Then he
Yeah, you want to take over them?
For me? No more man?
No, be a woman then, they say.
No, I never go with you.
You didn't come at the start
No,
level?
we were the woman one.
You know them go talk about if you hear me talk, if you hear me. I'm from England. I mean, the girls, I mean, armies. The insert man, the insert I roll. One tell you, I'll be a ballad friend. Short one.
Corey.
Come on. The boss, you know.
Everybody was asking Corey.
The boss, you know, already.
Corey, they were England, man.
I'm good.
I come out here next year. So we stop at the famous pork pit. I like how Tasha going like, you know, and talk on the camera from the reach of Jamaica. And hello everyone.
Hi everyone, G&Ts, we're here, we arrived. We finally arrived in Jamaica, long awaited trip. And our first stop is Pork Pit, a tradition of mine and Junior's for years before we've been coming. As we left the airport, we're coming to pork. everybody will get chicken and Javel 10 shrimp.
Ash want shrimp.
Oh, Ash wants shrimp now.
If you want to.
Ashy, do you want shrimp or you want chicken?
Ash, oh gosh, I tell you chicken.